everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming part 1 of a 4-part series here on my channel of our basement makeover. I have been so excited to finally be able to share this basement makeover with you. It has been our biggest project yet, and we teamed up with LL Flooring to bring you guys this awesome basement makeover. So in today's video, we will be sharing with you all of the prep and the installing of our new flooring. I will have all of the links to the exact flooring that we used, the underlayment, all of that good stuff in the description box down below, so make sure to check down there. I will also have a discount code for you guys. If you have been looking for some new flooring, definitely check out LL Flooring. So for part 1, which is today's video, I'm going to share with you how we started prepping all of our flooring, ripping out carpet, putting down underlayment, installing flooring. Part 2 is going to be a decorate with me. Part 3 is then going to be a full reveal of our space downstairs, and part 4 is going to be a whole DIY video on how we created our bar in the basement area. So lots to go over in the next few weeks. I hope that you are excited for this series here on my channel. If you are, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Starting this video off, we'll be headed to our local LO Flooring store to see the many beautiful options that they have to offer. You can get 4 free samples on their website, and I will have a link down below for you guys to take advantage of that offer. These 2 are the 2 options that we were picking from, and I will share with you soon which one we decided. So here I'm going to be showing you a full overview of what this space looked like before, and then at the end of this series you will see the full reveal. So as you can see, our basement is a pretty big space with lots and lots of carpet. So I was very excited to get rid of all of this and put down a more durable and functional flooring in this space. If you have been looking for a new flooring for your space, I will make sure to have the exact one we chose linked in the description box down below, along with my discount code, which is Molly5, where you can save on their website. The first thing we did to get this project started is remove all of the baseboards. This wasn't that hard, it was definitely just time consuming, but there was lots of caulk on the top that we also had to remove. But once that was all done, my husband started cutting the carpet. We did leave the carpet in the rooms here, so we didn't put the flooring we chose in there. And then we started rolling up the carpet into a massive roll. It worked out really well because our next door neighbors were finishing their basement at the time, so we were able to just take this right over and next door and be able to get rid of it, which was so convenient. We then started taking off the million tack strips that we needed to remove, and I actually got blisters on my hands from trying to remove so many staples from these stairs, but it was worth it in the end. Just so much work. Once the carpet is removed, we're going to lay down our underlayment. We use the Quiet Walk Versa from LL Flooring. It absorbs and controls both impact and ambient sound to create a comfortable living space for everyone. It also smooths out minor subfloor imperfections, adds insulation value. It's suitable for use in floor heating systems, has recyclable fibers, and it provides enhanced performance for attached pad flooring. The flooring we decided to go with is the Corlux Rigid Vinyl Plank in the color Ravello Oak. Ravello Oak creates a clean, bright look with a touch of rustic. Corlux waterproof technology protects the floor from everyday spills and splashes. It's also pet-proof and kid-proof with extreme dent and scratch resistance. And what we loved is that it's super DIY friendly. It has the easy click installation, which made installing this flooring a breeze. The sun-bleached white oak color and calm creaminess of these wide planks creates a well-suited flooring for any decor. One of our neighbors came over to help my husband, which made things go by a lot faster, so shout out to you. Thank you so much for helping us get this project completed. One of the things my husband also loved about these floors is that you could simply score them with a knife and then break them over your leg to get a really nice clean cut to fit the perfect size that you need. As you can see, our bar looks a little crazy because we are in the middle of completing this project as well, and I can't wait to share with you how this turned out, especially with our new flooring. I love that LO Flooring has a floor for every style and budget, and finding the right one has never been easier. While my husband finished installing the floors, I went ahead and started putting back the baseboards. One tip that I would have if you're doing a massive project like this where you're replacing flooring and you have to take off the baseboards, we used a Sharpie to label each baseboard. So we wrote number 1 on the wall and number 1 on the baseboard that goes there. This was so helpful when going back and reinstalling these. It's definitely a time-consuming thing, but it wasn't too difficult. Here my husband is taking some caulk and he's going to add that to the baseboards to give it a nice finished and complete look. And to finish off the install, my husband is going to put in the transition strips for the bedrooms where it goes from our new LVP flooring to our carpet. Now I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of what our flooring came out like. We could not be happier with them, and I would love to know what you think of them in the comments down below. Make sure to check the link and my discount code in the description down below to shop LO Flooring, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come back for the rest of the series to see the full reveal. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!